Bananas, jackfruit, mushrooms, okra, seafood, even meat. These are just some of the products that can be processed using vacuum frying technology. So why are more premium snack manufacturers investing in vacuum frying? Let's find out. Vacuum frying isn't designed to produce more chips, it's designed to produce a better product. By reducing the pressure inside the frying chamber, water evaporates at a much lower temperature than in conventional frying. Lower frying temperatures help preserve natural color, flavor, and texture, while reducing oil absorption and limiting oxidation. The result is a premium snack with stronger shelf appeal and higher market value. That's why vacuum frying is widely used for high-quality fruit and vegetable chips. Modern vacuum frying is no longer limited to small production. These factories demonstrate complete industrial processing lines capable of supplying large commercial markets. Industrial vacuum frying lines are designed for continuous factory production, with multiple fryers operating in parallel to increase capacity as demand grows. Supporting equipment such as washing, slicing, dewatering, seasoning, and packaging can be integrated to create a complete snack production line. Each batch is loaded into large stainless steel baskets before entering the sealed vacuum chamber. Temperature, pressure, and frying time are carefully controlled throughout the process. After frying, the baskets are removed and transferred for the next stage of production. Despite the size of these systems, only one or two operators are typically required to manage each machine. That means manufacturers can increase production capacity without needing large operating teams. Automation handles the critical processing, while operators supervise the line. Vacuum frying is suitable for a wide variety of products, including fruits, vegetables, mushrooms, seafood, meat, and many other specialty snacks. It's an investment in product quality rather than simply increasing production. For manufacturers targeting premium markets, vacuum frying can provide a significant competitive advantage. Whether you're building a new snack factory or expanding an existing one, choosing the right processing technology is where premium products begin. Factory IQ, smarter factory decisions. At PAT, we don't just supply vacuum fryers. We help design complete processing lines matched to your product and production targets. Every factory is different, from startup operations to large industrial food manufacturers. The right equipment depends on your capacity, product, and investment goals. A well-designed processing line doesn't just increase output, it improves consistency, reduces handling, and creates a better quality product.
Después de meses, años de seguimiento, análisis y vigilancia constante, tenemos que aceptar una conclusión que nunca contemplamos al inicio de esta investigación.